Okay student, today I am going to discuss on a program that is assembly language program to find largest number in an array. Suppose we have given a 5 or 6 number and we have to find out the largest number in between this given number. So here problem is determine largest number in an array of n element. Values of n is stored at address 2050. That is, values of n means how many, in between how many number we have to find a largest number. It could be 4, it could be 5, it could be 6, it could be 7. So how many number we have given, and array starts from address 2051. That is a number, set of number. Result is stored at address 3050. In between the given number, the largest number we have to store at 3050 location, and the program starts from 2000 memory location. So here are three things, that is set of number n is first we have to store in 2050. Array starts from 2051 and result have to store in 3050, and program starting address is 2000. So this is the problem where 2051, 2052, 2053 and 2054, that is 4 memory location, and we have stored 4 number, that is 20, 1A, 55 and 2B. In between this, the largest number, that is 55, have to store in memory address 3050, and total number of element number, here the number in between we have to compare and find out the largest number, that is 4 stored in 2050. So now we have, what we have to do, that is we have to compare, and how many times we have to compare, that is if the number is 4, then we have to compare n minus 1, that is 4 minus 1 is equal to 3 times. So first we have to take 20, then another number 1a, we have to compare 20 and 1a. So in between this, the largest number we have to store, or we have to keep the largest number, and then again we will going to take another number, that is 2053, 55. In between this, which one is greater, then this number have to keep in our storage location, and after that and so on. So what is the algorithm? We are taking first element of array in A, that is accumulator, comparing A with other element of array. If A is smaller, then store that element in A, that is largest number, otherwise compare with next element. Last, the value of A is the answer. So first line, the program is memory address, we have earlier said, that is memory address 2000. Mnemonics will be LXIH2050. LXIH means load immediate age with the value of 2050, that is 2050, that is 04. So LXIH explanation 2050 assign 22H and 52L. Next line will be the values of H have to move to the C, that is C register. So move C comma M, that is content of M or memory H should be copied to C. Copy content of memory to C. The third line will be decrement of C. Why? Because we have taken 4, that is number of n element, and we have to first decrease, that is the compare, the number of compare, the number of, we should compare how many times? If we taken a 4 digit, then we have to compare 3 times. So 4 minus 1, that is 3. So DCR, that is decrement C, values of C by 1. Now INX age, that is first 2050. After that we have taken, or we will going to take the second value, that is 2051, that is 20, right? So 2005 INX age. So what it does, it does 2050 from 2051, one memory location increase, INX increase age value. So INX age increase value of HL by 1, this is done to visit next memory location, and we have taken a 1 digit, right? So this digit, that is memory location M, first what we do, this M have to move to the accumulator to compare with other digit. So it is now have moved to M to A. Then after that we have taken another digit by increasing the memory location, that is INX age, that is 2052. So now we are comparing two digit with A and M, that is INX H, sorry, 2051 and 2052. So now we are comparing A with M. So here two condition or two probability can occur. First one, A should can be greater than of M, or M should be greater than of, M could be greater than of A, right? So if A greater than M, then it is okay, but if M greater than A, then the value of M should be copied to A. So compare M, compare of A and M by subtracting M from A, carrying flag and sign flag becomes set if AM is negative. So now what? Now JNC jump. So if M greater than A, then goes to down, but if A greater than M, if A greater than M, then goes to 200D. If A greater than M, then do nothing, but if M greater than N, then goes to the loop and move M to A, right? Then now decrement C, because now we have successfully compared one times, so now we have to compare and second times, that is 3 minus 2, right? So move AM copy content of memory specified by HL register pair to A, decrement C decrement value of C by 1. Now what? Now, so decrement C, how many times it will goes? It will goes up to until unless C becomes 0. So when a C value have something, then it will goes to the second loop, that is 2007, increasing by age, and you have to take another value, right? If it is become 0, then it goes out from the loop and store the value, that is accumulator value, into the 3050, and the next line will be halt. That is halt stop execution the program and halt any further execution. So now the value of 3050 is 55 and it is the largest value of the total array. So this is the all total program of finding out the largest number in an given array, right? And memory address most left side is 20002 from 2011. First we have taken 2000 as it is a 3 byte instruction, 20, 50 and LXI age, so it now 2003 and MOVCM is a 1 byte, so the next 2004. So this is the memory address, right? And JNZ 2007 is a loop, that is jump with no zero. So this is the program